This is the Microsoft Azure homepage, and we are going to create a virtual machine. Okay, so you can either click here, just like too many things are showing here, or you can also search the same thing, virtual machine, like this. Okay, so we are going to create from here only. Now click here, it will show the page like this, and here we will click plus button, select the virtual machine. Here you will select your subscription. Okay, and here you will select your resource by drop down. I don't have any resource group, so I'm going to create one. Okay, the resource group name must be unique. Name of the resource group must be unique. Here in this option you will select the virtual machine name. I will type my virtual. You can see here this green tick means this username is acceptable. Okay, my virtual machine. Region I will select, you can select any. I will select Central India. Okay, availability option. I'm going to select this one. Okay, no existing availability set in current resource group and location. No, I will select no infrastructure redundancy required, because I have to create the availability set. I did not create it now. Okay, and image. In image option you will select operating system, which operating system you want to install in your virtual machine. There are plenty of operating systems showing. If you click here you will find too many more options other than this. Okay, so I will select any of them. Let's do with the Windows Server 2019 data center. Okay, yes, here you can see the price is also showing with each of them. So I will select the cheaper one. Okay, DS1 V2 1 vCPU 3.5 gig memory, and this is the price for per month. Okay, I will select this one. Here you have to create the username password for remote access. Okay, you can see the criteria. You have to create the unique username. Here you can select the public inbound port, means the inbound rule for this virtual machine in Microsoft Azure. Okay, I'm going to select this one, and there is a 4 options showing. I will select RDP and HTTPS also, and after that next is here you will select the OS disk type. Okay, do you want to use a standard hard disk or premium SSD? Let's go with the premium SSD. Okay, encryption type, you have to select any of them. By default it is selected encryption at rest. Okay, then next, you will select virtual network. If you want to create new, you can create from here. Subnet, by default it is selected. I am not going to change that. Public IP, my virtual public IP, my virtual IP already selected. Okay, I will click on the management. Okay, and if you want to configure all these things, you can do it. Auto shutdown, enable shutdown, backup, site recovery, guys. Okay, VM generation 1, you can select either of them, generation 1, gen 2. Here you can see the prices per hour. Okay, so all these things are mentioned here, which we have selected in the previous page. Okay, all these details are here, and finally we will click create. Here you can see the deployment is completed. Okay, go to the resource, then we will create the connect option with RDP. I will click the download RDP file, and once it's downloaded, I will click on that connect. You have to provide the username and password. Here you can see I have accessing my new virtual machine, and it is look like this. Okay, now you can do your own work, whatever you want to do with this data center version of Windows Server. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video.